Prophet Ismail alayhi salam. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had two sons. Both of them became famous because Allah made them prophets. The first of them was Ismail alayhi salam, the sacrificed one. His mother's name was Hajar. Ismail alayhi salam was the first son born to Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. In answer to his prayers, Ibrahim alayhi salam prayed to Allah to give him a righteous child, and Allah gave him the good news of a forbearing boy. It was Ismail alayhi salam whom Allah asked Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice. Ibrahim and Ismail were both put to the test. This happened when Ismail alayhi salam was only 13 years old. It was also Ismail alayhi salam who went with his parents Ibrahim and Hajar while he was only an infant to the valley known today as Mecca. Ibrahim alayhi salam left them there with only a small quantity of water and food. He put his trust in Allah to help and protect him. He left them under a tree at the place there where Mecca stands today. Hajar sat in its shadow with the child on her lap. Around her there was nothing but sand and rocky slopes. How good the shade of the tree was! So there was a horrible silence all around, without any living things. No birds, no animals, no things. The night passed, and another day, and another night. When there was no more water left, the child began to cry. Hajar cried out to the Lord, frightened by the suffering of her thirsty child. She ran to and fro through the valley between the two hills of Safa and Marwa to see if she could see anybody. While in this desperate situation, Angel Jibril appeared and hit the earth with his heel. A stream of water gushed forth and began to flow over the sand. Hajar shouted with joy. She pressed the child's face into the cool water so that he might drink. She also drank with him. She heaped a little ball of sand around the spring. It became a well. This blessed well is known as the well of Zamzam and exists to this day. When Ibrahim alayhi salam returned to the valley after some time, he found Hajar and Ismail alive as Allah has promised him. Later, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam built the Kaaba with the help of Ismail alayhi salam. When Ismail alayhi salam grew up, Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail were both put to another test. When Ismail alayhi salam was old enough to work with him, Ibrahim alayhi salam said, "My son, Ya bunayya, إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى. My son, I saw in a dream that I must sacrifice you. What do you think about this? Ismail answered, Do as your Lord you are ordered. Father, Allah willing, you will find me firm. ستجدني افعل ما شئت يا أبت افعل ما شئت ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين. O Father, do what you are ordered from Allah, so you will find me firm. Then when they had both submitted and Ibrahim السلام had laid Ismail السلام face down on the ground, Allah called out to him, Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the dream. Allah then commanded Ibrahim to sacrifice a ram in his place. When we are very grateful to both Prophet Ismail, Ibrahim and Ismail for their noble example, Muslims all over the world sacrifice animals on the day of Eid al-Adha in the memory of Ibrahim's readiness to sacrifice Ismail to Allah to this day, and that will continue till the end of the world.